Oh, dude. John. Oh, crap. Oh, that's no good. Shoot. Crap.
My pinky. Yeah.
Might have been. It's okay. I've had wilderness first aid.
I don't know how jacked up I am yet. I took it hard right into the right there. I don't know yet.
Would you like me to check your groin?
No, I had that done Tuesday. I'm good.
Oh shit.
Mm.
Let's see your hand. Straighten it out at all?
I can't do anything with it. Let me start carrying that up. I can carry that up.
How's your head and everything?
Oh, I'm good there. I took it right. I took it right there. So I don't know.
Ooh.
Just a bar end.
Is that your bar end or?
No. You guys good?
Yeah, you good?
I'm good.
I'm good.
I think the mass helped me.
I just heard a crash.
I heard
that
the pop.
was the ram popping. So I can carry. I'm not worried about the bike. Getting the bike out, that's easy.
You want to ride out on the bike?
You want to ride on the bike?
Well,
where are you guys staged at the summit?
I'm probably not the best person to make decisions right now. A little shock, I can tell.
Okay.
Sit down, bro. Put your butt
yeah, sit down.
Okay. Like I don't want to sit down. Better if I don't make decisions right now. Based on having done this before.
Is there a road crossing like right here? Yeah.
Not too far, yeah.
You know what?
We go up to
So if
here's
you
what we're gonna do.
Salamander Flats is just right there, right?
yeah, well even before Salamander.
Go straight back to the road.
Yeah.
Have to walk uphill.
Yeah,
And I
even
think
before
it's that-
Salamander, if you keep going straight on
Do you know
this,
where
it'll
that
switch
really
back, and then
starts?
there's that hairpin in the
Like the first
highway.
Yeah.
It'll drop right there.
There's a 180 degree switch back, and there's a little trailhead.
Yeah, okay, he knows.
We'll walk the bike down that rim. That's gonna be the closest back to the road. So we'll walk that back down to that corner. If you want to do
like a front center.
to your car, and you've got your rack.
Slippery grip in.
So we'll walk his bike back to the road.
Enjoy your ride,
You'll
guys.
probably get back there before
So I get to my car and start riding back up, though, right? Or do I go back
just
where
go
I
like you're
came?
going home. You guys are in Alpine, right?
Yeah.
So, but you'll beat us.
It'll be the first switch back.
Pin on the road, right?
Yeah.
I'm telling you the wrong place. When we were coming up, there was a work truck parked there with a ladder rack on it. That I think is.
Yeah, when you come down from the summit on the highway, that first switch back, that's where this trail will dump out.
Okay.
Body armor on.
Okay.
All right.
I'm dressed to fall down.
Well,
Man, that just happened so fast. I didn't even hear a motorcycle. You couldn't hear us? I did. Well, I was 3 people back, so I didn't hear anything.
Just as we left, I heard you, but these guys were already rolling.
Oh.
So I was like, I hope they heard that.
Well, you know, it could have been almost anywhere else.
Yeah, you're right.
You know,
Yeah, bad timing.
I think so.
Did he hit your front wheel?
yeah, he hit this from.
Oh yeah.
I think it broke this.
It's really
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
it's an obvious kind of like switchback.
I think he had his earphones in. He probably didn't hear you. I don't understand people doing that when you're in like this. You know, you got music playing. It's like, dude, you need to know what's going on. You need all your sensors. Yeah, I bet. All I heard was this crunch. Ah! I go, what'd you do? Hit a rock? It's worse than a rock.
Somebody gonna go with him? Yeah, we'll go on.
Oh, probably. Well, I mean, it's not like a sealed piece, but it would be easier for water to ingress in there if it's like that. That's a sucky way to end the evening for them. Good thing it wasn't a horse. He'd probably shoot you by now. Those horsemen are nuts up there. Had a riding buddy. Dave Reese got shot at up here from a lady on a horse. Nope, she went to court and everything. He pressed charges. I mean, you know, she was just shooting over his head, but still, you know, yeah, it's stupid. Yeah.
I'm sure I'd have seen a horse.
Was he? Well, he's hauling butt. Yeah. It looked like it did that much damage, was it?
I hit the brake
Right about there. This is where you went off, wasn't it? Or you were off in there, yeah.
Oh, it's down to the right?
Boomer sooner.
See ya.
Alright. Have a safe rest of the night.
Enjoy the rest of your ride.
You too. Dang, we should have went down through Salamander, I guess. Yeah, I know. It's one of those things, you know, like when you're in a car accident. Man, if I would have just left 5 minutes later, or 5 minutes earlier. Wow. I don't understand why